Transform your YouTube channel from zero to hero with the power of free AI tools that do all the heavy lifting. Today, we're diving into how to craft captivating YouTube videos entirely for free using cutting-edge artificial intelligence first step. Let's tackle the script. We'll be using an AI script generator. Simply input a topic or a few keywords and watch as the AI crafts a compelling narrative. Complete with introduction, body, and conclusion, you can refine the AI's output to perfectly match your vision, ensuring your message is clear and engaging from the get-go. Now, a great video needs a great voice. Instead of hiring a voice actor or recording yourself, we'll leverage AI voice generation. Choose from a wide array of natural-sounding voices, both male and female, each with customizable accents and tones. Just paste your AI-generated script into the tool. Select your preferred voice and let the AI do the speaking. It's incredibly realistic and saves you a ton of time and effort. The final frontier is video editing. Many AI platforms now offer automated video editing capabilities. Upload your chosen voiceover and any visuals you have, or let the AI suggest stock footage and images based on your script. The AI will then intelligently assemble these elements, adding transitions, background music, and even captions to create a polished final product. You can then make minor tweaks and adjustments to personalize your video further. And there you have it, a fully produced, engaging YouTube video created entirely with free AI tools. This method allows you to produce content efficiently and effectively, opening up a world of possibilities for your channel. Start experimenting today and unlock your video creation potential.